western Ocean County until 9 p.m.
Bro, what the hell?
At 5 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
Goodness, what the heck?
Across the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is happening,
Is
bro?
1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2
Flash
inches
flooding is
are possible
ongoing
in the
for
Warren
to
area.
begin shortly.
Flash flooding is ongoing.
Dude, what the hell is happening? Oh my gosh. This is literal
Flooding of
insanity.
Impact flooding of small creeks,
as well as other drainage and
highways, streets, and other
some
passes, as well as
locations
other
may
drainage
experience flash
and
flooding
low-lying
include
areas.
Tom's River, Long
Some
Branch,
locations that
Asbury
may
Park,
experience
Lakewood,
flash flooding
Jackson,
include
Howell,
Tom's River,
Hidden Falls,
Long Branch,
Manna, Swamp,
Asbury
Point
Park,
Pleasant.
I don't know why I put the brightness like this.
Farmdale and
Hidden
Mantua.
Falls, Manasquan,
Turn around.
Point Pleasant
Don't drown
Beach,
when
Lakehurst,
on the road.
Farmingdale, and Mantua.
Most flood deaths
Turn
occur in
around.
vehicles.
Don't drown
Goodness.
encountering flooded roads.
What the heck?
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning.
All right, bro.
Until
Oh
9
my.
p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following area.
All right, dude.
Sandy